Have you ever wondered why the average band score of writing is 5.5 or why most students struggle with task 2 essays? While preparing, have you found yourself thinking what structure to follow or how to generate ideas in so little time? Or have you wondered whether you need to use hi-fi words? Well, worry no more. We at Divii School have helped over 10,000 students across Southeast Asia and the Middle East, and we are here to help you as well. My name is Swati, and I am a certified IELTS trainer who has trained more than 900 students. Now, I'm bringing to you through our Band 8 Writing Task 2 workshop every technique that I've taught all my students over these years. The 8-band writing workshop is a 1-hour long live action driven session where you will be taught the following: the detailed analysis of writing task 2, the biggest mistakes made by students in writing task 2, how to overcome the common mistakes, what separates an 8-band from a 6-band, the number 1 essay structure that can fetch you a higher band, and a lot more. At the end of the session, you'll get a free writing bonus as well. No recordings, no replays, be there live. Click on the link below to register today, and I will see you in my class soon. Good luck.